You picked to shred the cheese? You got it. You ever heard of tater tot bowls?
I have.
You have?
Yeah.
We're about to make Big Mac ones. It was originally going to be a Big Mac casserole, but I need something a little quicker. Big Mac casserole is going to take about an hour, but I feel like these tater tot bowls we can get done in about 20 to 30 minutes. We're going to cook the tater tots and the ground beef on the stove top. Now, I'm not really going to deep fry these tater tots. I'm putting just a little bit of oil in here, and we're going to kind of just fry them a little bit like, you know, I'll rotate them around. All right, let me get the ground beef. I think the kids will like it better this way anyway. Titus is cooking some chicken in here, y'all. That's what the steam is coming up. I don't know if y'all can see it. He's got chicken cooking in there. We're gonna need salt and pepper. One of y'all asked where I got these from. I actually got them from an antique store, so I don't know where they originally came from. I don't think they're antiques. At the ones that we go to, they're kind of like antique slash thrift stores, so some of the stuff is not really an antique. But yeah, they don't have a name on them, so I don't know exactly where you would get them from. I thought I had some minced onions up there, but I don't, so we'll just leave that out. You could put fresh onion if you want to. We need 2 cups, Manny. Can you eyeball 2 cups?
What does eyeball mean?
Like, can you tell by looking at it when it's at 2 cups?
Yeah.
So we're just gonna cook up this ground beef, and then we'll add in some salt, pepper, garlic powder, and a little bit of the secret sauce that we get from Walmart. This is it. It tastes just like Big Mac sauce, y'all. I mean, there might be a little bit of a difference, but it's tiny, very tiny. It's really good. If you don't have Big Mac sauce, you can make a Thousand Island sauce that tastes close to Big Mac sauce too. Okay, we put a little salt, a little bit of pepper, some garlic powder, and then we're gonna put in about half a cup of this sauce. So we put tater tots in there, then we put some of the meat, cheese, pickles.
I can't wait for the extra cheese.
Then we'll drizzle over more of the secret sauce.
Salsa.
And that's it. Big Mac tater tot bowls. Enjoy that.
We got a Big Mac in a bowl tonight, everybody. I don't know exactly what it's called.
That's a better name, Big Mac in a bowl.
Big Mac in a bowl.
That's better, yeah. Good, right? Those crispy tater tots. That's great.
Buddy, you ain't had a tater tot in a long time? That's really good.
Y'all remember when we made the Peeps marshmallow Rice Krispie treats? We're gonna see if it works with these. I'm sure it will. Okay, I can't do a 9x13 because I only have about this many Rice Krispies. So we'll just do a little bit smaller pan here. I think this one will work. Okay, and we're just gonna pour the marshmallows in here. I got the gingerbread marshmallows out. I'm not gonna put them on here when we put them in the oven. And I'm gonna have to get some more. I got these for the hot cocoa station, but they're so cute. We're gonna put them on top of our Rice Krispie treats. We need some Thanksgiving marshmallows, like some little turkeys or something. I didn't see Christmas Peeps out when we were at Walmart yesterday, but you can do this with Christmas Peeps, you know. We'll just pour over the Krispies. Last time, I don't think we put quite enough of, I think we had to add more Rice Krispies, so we'll go ahead and put plenty of those this time. I think that'll be good. We got a few more if we see we need to add more when they get done. Now we're gonna put some butter on top. Last time for a 9x13 we used a whole stick. This time we'll just use about half a stick. So we just slice it into little pieces and put it all around. And then this goes in the oven for 10 minutes. All right, 10 minutes. Here we go, let me get a spatula. We'll spray this with a little bit of cooking spray so they don't want to stick to it too bad. And we'll see if we need to add more marshmallows or more Rice Krispies. I definitely think we need a few more Rice Krispies, so we'll add a few more in. The same thing happened last time. It seems like you can't fit any more in though, and you probably would have a hard time. So if you do this, just add a few more. It's easy to add them in at the end. You can tell that, okay, yes, that's perfect. So I just added about half a cup more. And then we'll flatten this out and put a couple of our gingerbread men on top. I love Rice Krispie treats. It's one of my favorite things, especially homemade ones. There we go. They're not set up yet, but as you can see, everybody's been taste testing. They're
Folks,
really
if y'all
good.
ever have one of these?
They're great.
Fallon don't. Have you ever made these? It's really good.
It is.
I don't know that they taste any different.
What?
Making them that way.
Yeah, they don't really taste different to me. It's a lot easier and more fun.
Folks, that's more fun.
And I didn't even have to dye my hair blonde or anything
She's
for
having
it.
more fun these days.
That's from an Andy Griffith Show episode, y'all. What was her name?
She said she had more fun since she dyed her hair blonde.
Yeah, Barney said, you know, Nettie Albright.
Nettie.
He said, you know, Nettie, you look better as a blonde. And she said,
this ain't
well,
a
I do
cookie.
have more fun.
This ain't a
No,
cookie.
yeah, it's a marshmallow.
It's a marshmallow, everybody.
Yeah. Manly's gonna taste test one of these gingerbread marshmallows.
I can do a flip in the air too.
Yes, he can.
Record.
They're good?
Yeah.
Y'all, it turned into a candy kitchen here.
Me and my daughter came over here and made these right here. Because I had a desire for some chocolate cookies. And we came over here and made these. Me and Sissy did.
They
And
look
I think they're
good.
going to turn out amazing.
Yeah, I think so too.
Y'all, the secret to these is this stuff right here. Egg white. You add in a little bit of this egg white powder. Cannot taste it in there at all. It just helps bind it together.
All right, y'all, it's many hours later now. I found this porch light coffee that I was telling y'all about from Ingles the other day. What was that other one called? Daybreak or something? Now I can't remember.
I think it was something like that.
Daybreak. I'm pretty sure it was Daybreak. This one is the same brand. It's Pure Intentions Coffee. I guess that's the brand of it. Pure Intentions Coffee. This one is Porch Light. Good morning, y'all. So far, I'm loving that porch light coffee. I'm gonna make inside out egg sandwiches. So first, we toast the bread. We're gonna put 4 eggs in this bowl. A little bit of salt and pepper. And we're gonna add some spinach, but you can leave this out if you don't want to put the spinach in there. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and turn the pan on to medium, and we'll put a little bit of butter in there. And you can make these however you want to. I'm just gonna do egg and cheese, but you can add whatever you want to add. I thought about adding some bacon, but we'll just do egg and cheese this morning. Let me spread this butter around a little bit. I've got it a little bit over medium right now on the heat. We're going to pour in the eggs. And I'm going to scoot them so they go all the way around the pan like that. Now we just let this cook like if we were going to make an omelet. I mean, I'm just thinking already that if I wanted an egg sandwich, I would just make an egg and put it on the toast. But this is kind of fun, so we'll see. Oh yeah, I think we're just about ready. Here we go. 2 pieces of bread going down. We're gonna go with cheese and spinach on ours. I'm gonna turn this down just a little. We put the cheese, put the spinach. Okay, now we fold up these sides just like that. Maybe not exactly like that because I tore it a little bit, but you know, kind of close to that. It's okay, we're gonna cut them in half in a second anyway. We fold up this side, and then we put our other 2 pieces of bread. We put a little bit of mayonnaise on there. We do that and that. Now, we're gonna cut this in half. And I think we can go ahead and turn that off now. Did that Cut it in half. Oh yeah. Now we can put these on plates. Now you cut this in half, like this. Because right now your egg, you know, is still on the bottom. See the egg back there? You put bottom and bottom together. And there you go. You got a double-decker egg sandwich. I think I would just make an egg sandwich a regular way, but what would y'all do? Because now you have to eat this like this. It's like a Big Mac of egg sandwich.
Looks good to me.
There you go.
That's really a good looking sandwich. Look at it from the side right there.
I need you to draw yes.
I did right here, see? Y-E-S. He wanted me to draw yes. I did.
No, not spell it, draw it.
I don't know how to draw yes. How do you draw yes?
I don't know. Some people actually draw yes.
Maybe is a check mark. Is that yes?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Good. Now draw a little one right there. You drew yes. That's wonderful.
I